Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change username on Instagram. Your Instagram display's username is an exciting opportunity to create your unique online identity. It's a fun and important aspect of your Instagram profile. Feel free to use letters, numbers, periods, and underscores. Unlike your Instagram handle, your Instagram display name or username can contain special characters and emojis. To get started with changing your Instagram account username, make sure you have the app installed and that your Android smartphones is connected to the internet. First, open the Instagram app on your Android. Then, tap your profile icon, which is also your profile picture in the lower right corner. Then, select the Edit Profile button. Now, tap the username text box to change your Instagram username and type your new username. When you're done, tap the light blue check mark in the upper right corner. When you go back to your profile page, you'll notice your Instagram username has been changed successfully. When changing your Instagram users' names, it's worth considering how it can enhance your online brand and presence. Take a moment to reflect on how to resonates with your personal or professional aspirations. Get creative and brainstorm delightful, memorable options that reflect your identity and passions. Your Instagram usernames must be unique. So, if the one you pick isn't available, Instagram notifies you. In case of unavailability, you can add a period or underscore to the username or select an alternative one. Once you've made the changes, tap the light blue checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the app to submit the new username. In case you wish to revert to your old username, you have to do option to do so. Instagram retains your old handle for 14 days. After this period, the username becomes available to other users. However, if no one else claims it, you can reclaim it as your own. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.